Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be regrading the driveway. It's going to repair some storm damage, some damage that we had to the gravel, ruts that kind of formed up after some heavy rains recently, and also after plowing for this winter, trying to mitigate some of that heavy snowfall that we had. So it kind of messed up with the driveway, and we're going to take care of that. But before we remove the forks, put the bucket on, I do need to move these remaining 4 totes, these cages, over and get them prepared to make firewood baskets out of, and then we'll put the bucket on, and then we'll take a look at this driveway. So we're gonna wrap up the video here. The weather's not cooperating with us with the time that we have. Was hoping to get some firewood stacked in the crates, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Hopefully this weekend, but they are calling for snow. Been out here working in shorts and a t-shirt, and then all of a sudden we're getting bundled up ready for, I don't know, fifth winter. But it is only March, so you know, it is what it is. Just kind of getting spoiled and getting anxious for the warm weather to come. So other news, looks like we are confirmed for the week of April 4th to get our slab flattener. Very excited about that, so we're gonna get that, get ready for that. Just a couple more things to get installed and shaped up, and then we'll be ready to take possession of that. I'm really excited to share that with you guys. We are gonna get some video, maybe even do an Instagram live. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll keep you guys tuned. So we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for hanging out, and if you haven't already, you know, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and then share with your friends and family. See you guys.